2025 Volvo XC90, 247 horsepower, the B6 with 295 horsepower, and the plug-in hybrid T8, which packs 455 horsepower. Despite the differences in power, the interior remains nearly identical across all versions, maintaining Volvo's minimalist design with its signature crystal gear shifter. The B5 and B6 models start at $59,000 and $64,000, while the T8 plug-in starts at $72,000.
The 2025 BMW, one of the most thrilling options in BMW's AMA lineup. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW's 117 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-feet of torque. This high-revving powerhouse ensures blistering at about 3.0 seconds, making it one of the quickest BMWs ever made. This power is channeled through an advanced X-Drive all-wheel drive system, which offers a rear-wheel drive mode for those who crave an unfiltered, purist driving experience. The 8-speed M Steptronic